It gives me great honor and privilege to officiate at today's launching of the 2016 Poppy Appeal. Every year, we commemorate the Remembrance Day to honor those who fought and made ultimate sacrifice for the sake of world peace and freedom we enjoy today. As we all know, the significance of the poppy symbolizes courage and commitment shown by our forefathers, as is an integral part of Remembrance Day, as it has become an international symbol whereby countries remember and honor their loved ones. The launching of this Poppy Appeal today marks for Fiji our continued recognition of the priceless sacrifice made by our Fijian sons and daughters who served in the Fijian Armed Forces during the First and Second World Wars, the Malayan Campaign, Christmas Island occupation, and the many peacekeeping missions around the world, both past and present, where our Fijian servicemen and women have flown the Fiji flag high. During the First World War, the red poppy was one of the first plants that sprang up out of the devastated battlefields of France. Soldiers' folklore attributes the vivid red of the flower to the blood shed by comrades. Whatever the case may be, without a doubt, the poppy with its distinctly red flower has become a symbol the world over of the blood, sweat, and tears shed by those who made the ultimate sacrifice for the freedom we enjoy today. Freedoms that many of us take for granted. For this cause, Fijian blood has been shed in battlefields all over the world. Today, there is only a handful left of the elders who served through World War I and II, and also in Malaya and Christmas Island. We have also with us those who served as peacekeepers in various troubled spots all over the world. Today, we still have our sons and daughters in the Sinai, Iraq, Syria, and various other troubled spots proudly flying the Fiji flag. Ladies and gentlemen, in launching the Poppy Appeal, I call upon everyone to take part in this worthy cause, to remember the fallen and honor those who are still with us today, though their numbers are dwindling as each year goes by. Therefore, all donations from the sale will go towards the Ex-Servicemen's Association, an organization that is run by and for our ex-servicemen and women. Whilst the government is playing its part in contributing to the overall nation building through the various programs that has benefited our ex-service personnel, I urge all of us to contribute to the overall effort by supporting this Poppy Appeal. Ladies and gentlemen, they stood tall and heeded the call to battle, to fight for the peace and freedom we enjoy today. In reciprocating, let us all stand tall as well and support this Poppy Appeal to provide them honor and comfort in their twilight years. Buy a poppy and wear it proudly every day until the 11th of November this year. Thank you, Vinaka Bakalevu, and may God bless us all. Vinaka.